Hi everyone. Today I'm showing how to create a simple map app in Android Studio using the Google Map API. In this video, I also explain the key concept and permission used in our app. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add dependencies in Gradle. So before we can use Google Maps features, we need to add the required dependencies in our Gradle. So these libraries allow Android Studio to access Google Play services and maps software development kit. So this is the implementation dependencies. So you need to add this first in your build folder. Okay, so we have a 8 question here to answer. So the first question is, what is the difference between access find location and access course location? So the access find location gives the app precise location access using GPS by Wi-Fi or mobile data. Meanwhile, access course location only provides an approximate location, usually in a few hundred meters. In short, find is accurate while course is just a approximate. So in the access find, this gives us the precise location. So this, you need to add permission in your Android manifest. So question number 2, why do we need to request permission at runtime? So starting from Android 6, Marshmallow, apps must ask the user permission while running. So this ensures better privacy and gives user control over what data app can access. So this permission uh, is involving privacy of the user, so that the privacy will be leaked or the location or. So the next question is, what is Fuse location provider client and why use it? So Fuse Fuse location client Fuse location provider client is a part of Google Location Services API. So it combines data from GPS, Wi-Fi, and cell towers to get the most accurate and battery efficient location. So it combines the Wi-Fi, GPS, and cell tower to find your uh, proximate location, the latitude of your location. So question number 4, how do we uh, add a marker on Google Maps? A marker is a pin that shows specific location on the map. So this marker indicates your current location. So display what location you are at in. Your current location position, your title. So that is the use of marker. So what is lat lang and what does it represent? Lat lang stands for latitude and longitude. It represents coordinate on Earth. Latitude tells how far north from south, while the longitude tells how far east and west. So every location on the map uses that lang value. So this line. So question number 6. How do you move the camera to a specific location? So, so as you can see, to locate your current location, the application requests your to turn on your location. So this is the current location. This is the set location in the map. So as you can see, this is the latitude. Y is 0, 0, 0, 0, because this is set to this is set your position that you set in your studio. So so how do you move the camera to a specific location? So let's proceed to number 6. How do you move the camera to a specific location? Focus the map on a certain place. We use move camera or animate camera with camera update factory. So this enables us to move where the marker along with the marker and the longitude. So verse 7. So what happens if location permission is denied? If the user denies location permission, the app won't be able to access or show the user's location. So to handle this properly, so this code, if the user uh, if the user denies location permission, the app won't be able. So after the user denied, it will display location permission denied. So it will not display your current location if you if you if you denies the location permission. So question number 8. How do you enable zoom controls in the map? So Google Maps includes for this line. So in question number 8, how do you enable zoom control in the map? So Google Maps include built-in zoom buttons to turn it on. We use the get UI setting class to set your zoom gestures enabled. So this displays the plus and minus button. So if we click the plus, it will zoom in. When the minus will zoom out. So this is the output, the code of the Google Map activity. So this is the current set location pin. So Manila. So if we After the user granted the device location, the app will locate your current location. So you're just going to click my location. So as you can see, the marker change uh, change its position. So as you can see at the top, displays the latitude and the longitude. So also here in the also at the side is also see the minus and plus. Zoom in and zoom out, and you will be able to move your camera. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for listening.